الموت والحياة ليبلوكم أيكم أحسن.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. How are you, my students? Hope you are well by the Almighty Allah. I am also well by the mercy of Him. Let's go to observe a new video of voice rules. It means voice changing rules. The lessons we will learn here. Number 1. Voice rules of assertive sentence. Transformation methods. Good command when speaking. The 3 experience will be gained successfully. Part 1. Voice rules of assertive sentence. Rule 1. Subject plus verb 1 plus object equal to object plus am, is, are plus verb 3 plus by or with word 2 plus subject. This is the rule. If we see subject plus verb 1 plus object as active sentence, we can turn it passive by the following rules. Object, am, is, are, verb 3, by, with, to, object. Example: the chairman of the committee invites the committee members. Answer: the committee members are invited by the chairman of the committee. Rule 2. Subject plus verb 1 plus object plus object. It means double object. If we follow, this is the active system, we have to use first object or second object plus am, is, are plus verb 3 plus by plus subject. Example: Mingle teaches the learners English. Answer: learners are taught English by Mingle. Okay. Rule 3. Subject plus verb 1 plus object plus prepositional object equal to object plus am, is, are plus verb 3 plus prepositional object plus by plus subject. Example: Frost fans quote his poetry lines to inspire themselves. Answer: his poetry lines are quoted to inspire themselves by Frost fans. Just by following the rules, the example and answers are drawn. Rule 4. Subject plus am, is, are plus verb 3 plus no object. It means passive voice. We have to turn it into active at first matching object plus verb 1 plus verb 1 or verb 5 plus subject. Example: the houses are burned. Answer: fire burns the houses. Okay. Rule 5. Subject plus verb 1 or 5 or 6 plus adjective equal to subject plus to be plus adjective plus when plus it plus am is are plus verb 3. Example, honey tastes sweet. Answer, honey is sweet when it is tasted. Subject plus verb 2 plus adjective equal to subject plus to be was where plus adjective plus when plus it plus was or were plus verb 3. Example, honey tasted sweet. Answer, honey was sweet when it was tasted. Seven, subject plus verb plus noun plus adjective or adverb plus adjective equal to subject plus verb plus noun plus adjective or adverb plus adjective plus when plus it plus verb to be plus matching verb 3. Example, Hanu tastes sweet honey. Hanu tastes sweet. Hanu tastes sweet honey when it is chewed. Subject plus am is are plus verb 4 plus no object equal to subject plus am is are plus being plus verb 3. Example, the house is building. Answer, the house is being built. Subject plus verb 1, 5 or 6 plus reflexive object equal subject plus am is are plus verb 3 plus by plus reflexive object. Example, Rosalind dresses herself. Rosalind is dressed by herself. Subject plus can, could, may, might, shall, should, will, would, must, going to, ought to, verb 1 plus verb 1 plus object equal to object plus modal verb plus be plus verb 3 plus by plus subject. Example, our Prime Minister is going to open an excellent bank. Answer, an excellent bank is going to be opened by our Prime Minister. Elephant rule, subject plus verb 2 plus object equal to object plus was, were, verb 3 plus by plus subject. Example, King Lear divided his kingdom among his 3 daughters before his death. His kingdom was divided among his 3 daughters before his death by King Lear. Subject plus am is are was were plus verb 4 plus object equal object plus was were plus being plus verb 3 plus by plus subject. Example, Dr. Faustus was with merriment serving the common patients of the Aeron State. Answer, the common patients of Aeron State were being with merriment served by Dr. Faustus. Subject plus have, has, had plus verb 3 plus object equal to object plus have, has, had plus been plus verb 3 plus by plus subject. Example, at the First World War, Austrians first had attacked the Americans. Answer, at the First World War, the Americans first had been attacked by the Australians. Compound sentence. Both parts will be passive. If we see compound sentence, it means a sentence with two finite verbs. We have to turn both parts passive. Example, the police searched the company godown and found some illegal articles. Answer, the company godown was searched by the police and some illegal articles were found by him. (15) Complex sentence. Equal, both parts will be passive. If we see any complex sentence as active, we have to turn it passive by changing both parts into passive. Example, Chillingham knows that Arthur collects the herbals. Answer, it is known to Chillingham that the herbals are collected by Arthur. Voice of imperative sentence part 2. Verb equal let plus be plus verb 3. Example, listen. Answer, listen, let be listened. Verb plus adverb equal to you are requested plus 2 plus extension. Example, run fast. Answer, you are requested to run fast. Verb plus object equal let plus object plus be plus verb 3. Example, support Hamlet. Answer, let Hamlet be supported. Rule 4. Verb plus object plus prepositional object equal let plus object plus be plus verb 3 plus prepositional object. Example, praise Allah with all of the appreciation possessed in their hearts. Answer, let Allah be praised with all of the appreciation possessed in their hearts. (5) Let plus personal object plus verb plus object equal let plus object plus be plus verb 3 plus by plus personal object. Example, let Jim accept the Islamic religion. Answer, let the Islamic religion be accepted by Jim. Verb plus indirect object plus direct object equal to let plus direct object plus be plus verb 3 plus 2 or 4 plus indirect object. Example, buy dollar a dress. Answer, let dress be bought for dollar. Or let dollar be bought a dress. 7. Don't or do not plus verb equal to let not plus be plus verb 3. Example, don't smoke. Answer, let not be smoked. 8. Don't plus verb plus object equal let not plus object plus be plus verb 3. Example, don't fire the buildings. Answer, let not the buildings be fired. Never plus verb equal to let plus never be plus verb 3. Example, never wait. Answer, let never be waited. 10. Never plus verb plus object equal let plus never plus object plus be plus verb 3. Example, never call the criminals. Answer, let never the criminals be called. Part 3. Voice of interrogative sentence. Do or does plus subject plus verb plus object Equal am is are plus object plus verb 3 plus by plus subject. Example, does Paul contain brilliance? Answer, is brilliance contained by Paul? Did plus subject plus verb 1 plus subject equal was or were plus subject plus verb 3 plus by plus subject plus question mark. Example, did Caliban of the drama Tempest composed by Shakespeare support Miranda? Answer, was Miranda supported by Caliban of the drama Tempest composed by Shakespeare? Adverb, no, auxiliary verb plus subject. Auxiliary verb plus subject plus verb 1, 2, 3, 4 plus object plus question mark equal auxiliary verb plus subject plus be being been plus verb 3 plus subject plus question mark. Example, can he invite the Pop-up? Answer, can the Pop-up invited by him? W is question plus auxiliary verb plus subject plus verb 1, 2, 3, 4 plus object equal W is question plus auxiliary verb plus object plus be being been plus verb 3 plus by plus subject plus question mark. Example, when has the police chastised the examination breakers? Answer, when have the examination breakers been chastised by the police? Who equal by whom plus question mark. It means if we see any sentence interrogative, who, we have to turn it passive by whom. Example, who was beckoning the lady at the first restaurant? Answer, by whom was the lady being beckoned at the first restaurant? Whom equal who. If we see any active sentence interrogatively, start with whom. Just by who we have to turn it passive. Example, whom does you like? Answer, who is liked by you. Thank you very much. Wish you good luck to the Almighty Allah always. Just you observe the videos carefully and learn the fruitful things and take experience so that you can do something, drawing a good comment on English. Thank you very much.